जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू में वर्चुअल कॉमर्स कार्निवाल 2020 का आयोजन हुआ। इस कार्निवाल में दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल गाजियाबाद वसुंधरा के प्रिंसिपल त्रिलोक सिंह बिष्ट मुख्य अतिथि थे, जबकि डॉक्टर अतुल हंस विशेष अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे। इस अवसर पर अन्य शिक्षाविदों के साथ जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू की प्रिंसिपल कम वाइस चेयरपर्सन रोहिणी अइमा भी उपस्थित थीं। कार्निवल का उद्घाटन मुख्य अतिथि त्रिलोक सिंह बिष्ट द्वारा किया गया। इस दौरान विभिन्न आयोजन हुए, जिनमें पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन, मार्केट क्षेत्र, सिटीजन रिपोर्टर आदि। इन आयोजनों में भाग लेने वाले प्रतिभागी केवल जम्मू से ही नहीं बल्कि दिल्ली, अमृतसर और केरला से भी शामिल थे। कार्निवल को अर्थव्यवस्था, ब्रांडिंग, विज्ञापन और रिपोर्टिंग के बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एक साझा मंच पर एकजुट किया गया था। ये पूरा कार्निवल मिस सारिका, मिस्टर ईशांत, मिस तानिया साहनी और मिस मुनमुन द्वारा संचालित किया गया था।
Bhardwaj, and today I am going to share the presentation on Indian economy and COVID-19. Ever since the lockdown, two topics have been widely discussed. One, our health, and second, our economy. Because of this, unemployment rate touches the peak. Lots of people left starved. First of all, let's see how the sectors are affected by this pandemic, and later on we will discuss what step has government taken to overcome this problem. So one of the sector which is highly affected is trade. India trade with many countries reduced due to the COVID-19. Export orders and finished shipments were cancelled. As we can see in the graph that how the export has decreased in the March. As we know, this pandemic disturbed our economy drastically. So to balance that, government has taken several steps. Let's discuss the steps that has taken by the government to boost our economy. First of all, interest can be paid later and loan won't be in the default for lenders. All lenders can freeze payment for 3 months. Time period for realization and repartition of export extended for 15 months. As we know, micro, medium, small enterprises plays an important role for our economy. So let's discuss the steps taken for MSME for their betterment. Concessional interest rate of 5% were announced for micro, small and medium enterprises. These loans would be provided without any collateral. Now the
आजमाइश है ईमान से रहे, इंसान है इंसान ही रहे, आजमाइश है ईमान से रहे। ये रोग एक रोज हारेगा, ये रोग एक रोज हारेगा, संभलेंगे संभालेंगे संभलेंगे संभालेंगे। इंसान है इंसान ही रहे, आजमाइश है ईमान से रहे। मुझसे गुजर गए सफर में संग थे, बिछड़ गए मेरी।
है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। So this is for really my dearest commercians, commerce students. Before explaining how they did, one thing very...
The Jammu Sanskriti School team, which is doing wonders under the mentorship of Rohini Aima ma'am, who's my mentor as well. I follow her everything, whatever she is doing, and I always run for my advice to her. As far as today's fest is concerned, in the morning also, as Srivastava sir spoke about commerce as a subject, and now what Deep sir also spoke about, I am a pure commercee, I mean a hardcore believer, follower, and a person from commerce background itself. But this time, what this festival was amazing. They had very meticulously planned event. All the three events, all the three things came up very nicely. I was just able to watch the first and little at the end, but I'm sure the participants must have done an exceptional great job. Kudos to all the organizers, the whole team of Jammu Sanskriti School Jammu, who are bringing absolutely new concepts in not just, teaching the children, but also making them learn from the basic to the Z. So that is the best part I liked about today's program, and every program what Jammu Sanskriti School is conducting. Congratulations to all the stakeholders. Big congratulations to Rohini ma'am. You are doing such a great work for the students of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm sure under your mentorship, under your able guidance, not just Jammu Sanskriti, but many schools in Jammu and Kashmir and across India would be benefited. All my best wishes to the organizers.
Thank you, Dr. Kunal. It's a pleasure to have you.
These are few glimpses from Market Kshetra, in which the children did the branding. It is from paper presentation. Now we come to Citizen Reporter. Few video clips. Presentation on the video clip. Reporting rather.
And I really salute all the teachers and the students and their families too. Because if, the parents would have not supported us, if the children who have not supported us, cool, but, certain norms are there, certain, what guidelines are there. There's so many things are there which we need to follow. And we are very much hesitant. Everyone is, not only we as a school, but the teachers, the parents, the students, everybody has got at the back of the mind, they have some kind of fear. So let me tell you, children and the parents and the teachers on this forum, until unless we are not taking the initiative, nothing will happen. Like in the month of the March, we have taken the initiative and the result is in front of us. So now
वक्त दिखा बहुत कुछ जाता है. Now it's a time to prove that we are Commercians and we are the best, right? So with this message, over to you, Ishant.
देश के निर्माण और उन्नति में सहयोग, आपके हर कदम में आपका हमसफर। कश्मीर टर्बो TMT सरिया, चाहे भूकंप आए या तूफान, सुरक्षित रहें आप और आपका मकान। अपनाइए आपका अपना कश्मीर टर्बो TMT सरिया, ट्रस्ट एंड रिलायबिलिटी।
GK अपडेट रहे हमारे साथ। अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें। अगर आप ये वीडियो Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारा Facebook पेज लाइक जरूर करें। For advertisement, please contact 705-109-1811.